Hi, my name is Raghu. I am the Managing Director of 3D Concept Analysis and Development. In short, we are called as 3D CAD. We are an industrial automation solution provider where we provide robotic solutions and also the complete assembly automation and inspection automation solutions. We work with automotive, white goods, semiconductor and different industries. We are put up in Bangalore, Chennai and Pune. We have factories and offices in all these three locations. We are presenting today the few of the robotic solutions what we have developed as a concept for pick and place as well as gluing and few of our products like sheet follower which is next to me on the left side.
So, sir, what's your view on this particular expo and how many times do you feel that you'll be following us this year?
This is our second year. Last year also we were there with a smaller booth and this is our second year. I think the expo is going good. You guys are getting, I think you guys are working very hard to get more visitors. So probably we are planning to also present this time in Mumbai with you guys. So it's going good.
Any message that you have or one word if you had to describe this particular show?
Probably the one thing what I like to say is students are very much required. Probably that you can keep it on the last half a day of the show. Definitely only for those students so that we can also be well prepared for students as separate curriculum. And the other days probably it will be good if we can have more business visitors so that we can be well prepared for that. Yeah, thank you so much.